Welcome back. Or welcome period to reviewing stuff. Reviewing stuff. I think. Let me pick a different color. Reviewing stuff. Today we are going to be reviewing addition. Addition with regrouping. So, why do we regroup? Well, regrouping started pretty early, right? Let's say that you had, I guess before you regrouped, you had problems like this 2 plus 3, right? If I get 2 plus 3, no big deal. That's 5. There's no regrouping there. All I have to do is put this number together with this number. It's smaller than 10, so it's no big deal. But then you got to let's say, first grade maybe. You got a problem like that. And all of a sudden, 9, 10, 11, I can't put 11 down here. There's only 2 places. So I can't put an 11 down here because then I'll have a 3-digit number by the end. So what I do is I go, okay, 2 plus 9 is 11, right? So with the number 11, there's a 1 in the ones place and then a 1 in the tens place. What we do is we put the 1 in the ones place down here in our answer, and then we bring the 1 in the tens place to our tens place, because what we're looking at right here is our tens place. And what I mean by that is, let's say that we had 12, and then we wanted to add 9. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So if I wanted to add, okay, let me get the answer. All right, 1 plus 1 is 2. So if I wanted to make this problem, let's say that I add my 9 to my 12. What do you notice about this situation? As you can see, we have 2 full 10s. Like, I could replace these 10 ones with a 10, right? So I have 2 10s and 1 1. So there's 21. Right? So addition with regrouping is because we don't want to say we have 10 ones over here, we have 1 10 over here, and then we have an extra one over there. That would be hard to explain, but we can say that instead of having these 10 ones and 1 extra, we have 2 10s, right? 1 plus 1 was 2 10s plus the 1 unit. So your answer would be 21, right? And then you got a little bit older, and before you knew it, you were getting problems like, let's say, 100, 101 plus 27, right? So now we have a whole new problem, right? 101 plus 27, okay? So that is actually, I meant 29. Just kidding. All right, so 101 plus 29. Okay, so the first thing that happens, right, if we have 101, and then we want to add 29 more. So there's 101 plus 2 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so we're adding 101 plus 29. So what happens here is, let me make sure that's 9. I should be 1 short over here. Yeah, that's 9. Okay, cool. So 101 plus 29. What we're looking at right here, first of all, I'm adding my 1 and my 9. What happened when I added my 1 and a 9? It turns into the same thing as a 10 stick. So we don't have any 1s anymore because it turned into a 10s. So 1 plus 9 was 10. As you can see, there's a 0 in the ones place, so we put a 0 in the ones place, and then we had a 1 in the tens place, so we're going to bring a 1 to the tens area. So now we have 1 plus 0 plus 2, that's 3. There we go. There's 3 tens right there. And then, after that, we don't add anything to our hundreds because it's all by itself. So our answer is 130. Here's 100 as a flat. Remember, your flat equals 100 when you're dealing with whole numbers. And then you have 310. So 100 plus 3 tenths equals 130. So regrouping is so that we can make them show up in the box.